Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Jim. I guess you know that. And if not, I'm Jim. Hi. This is Maggie. You've met her before. This is Jake, the big man. Yeah, that's you, buddy. Okay. So anyway, this is going to be part 48. Believe it or not, that's how far we've come. And in this, Abby is our cinematographer, and she's doing great. She's getting better at it every day, and everybody's really getting into it. But what you're going to see, I'm just going to go over it real quick and let her go. They're going to be preparing, continuing to prepare the outside walls, and particularly the upstairs of the house. They're preparing all the walls and scraping and getting all the imperfections sealed and everything. The bathrooms, they're really coming along very nicely. They're really, really nice. Let's see what else. They painted they're painting, or you'll see them painting the upper roof. So they painted the upper roof today, and they are pretty much finishing up installing the kitchen ceiling today, and they're actually putting down the tiles on the patio. I think Abby likes those. And basically, that's pretty much what's going to go on today that you're going to see. But Abby's going to walk around through it, and she's doing great. So with no further ado, have a nice visit with us and enjoy your walk around with Abby, and come back and see us again sometime. Have a great day.
Hello everyone. It's now 8:35 in the morning here in the Philippines, and the builder started to get. So today they will start to put the textiles here in the patio. Second floor, they are polishing the walls before they paint it. They are painting the roof of the second floor, so they need to climb. Probably just continuing to have the kitchen toilet. I'll go to the second floor and I will show you what exactly they are doing.
Ismail, naka-video tayo. Panisong tulot makadaming di ko fresh from abroad. Kaya, kung balay mo, magkadito ko mga lapila, sigudin ka no, para gusto ko yung discount ko. Jadi lapila ko mo rin yun. Ito gasting-gastisan mo magpapandaan. Ilay ko na, hindi pala nagsasaka.
There you go. They already finished painting the second floor roof. They paint it with brown. It's almost 1 p.m. here. And it's really hot. Here's our hardworking builders. And here's the kitchen ceiling. Don't eat.
Turun mo na nagbilang? Sino ako na itaw ano? Yung baba mo, di ba pa? Okay. Meron ba ba na? Nyatok ko naman, meron ba ba nataw? Eh, pa yan. Balik ko ito na. Okay.
So that's how they put the PVC bottles pieces.
Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh, gas, semangat. Semangat kita guys. Nah, dulu dulu. Kita ayo, okay. Oh, berapa persen? Okay. Bunyinya kalau medan. Ini video.
Too long, so they need to cut it again.
Super tahu.
Oh, so here it is. They almost finished putting on the textiles here in the patio. I like the design of the textiles, by the way. And here's the master bedroom toilet. They already finished hanging up all the tiles on the walls. Oh, mali na nga. This is the toilet here in the second floor. Second floor. They will start painting it tomorrow.
I've had my heart broken in two, but something's different next to you. It's like my soul is set on fire, but oh, I'm starting to feel tired. 'Cause I can run